Did you know that over half of Americans do not have an estate plan? And even those who do often believe some myths that could put their loved ones at risk. If you think estate planning is only for the wealthy, or that your spouse will automatically handle everything when you pass away, you might be making a big mistake. Today, we're busting 4 of the most common estate planning myths that I see a lot, because what you don't know can hurt you and your family. Stick around until the end, because I'm going to share exactly how I can help you avoid these pitfalls. Alright, myth number 1. If you're one of many millions of Americans that don't have a plan, you're probably thinking, I don't have enough assets to need an estate plan. This is one of the biggest estate planning myths out there. Estate planning isn't just about money. It's about making sure that the people you love don't end up in a legal limbo. If you don't have a plan in place, your family could face long court battles, frozen bank accounts, and even unnecessary taxes. With an estate plan, it ensures that your assets go where you want them to, and someone that you trust makes decisions for you if you can't. Your loved ones avoid unnecessary stress and expenses. If you have anything of value, your home, savings, even family heirlooms, you need an estate plan. It's not just for the wealthy. It's for anyone who wants control over what happens to these assets that they value. It doesn't matter how much they are worth. Myth number 2, if you're married, you probably are thinking, my spouse will handle everything when I'm gone. No big deal. Now I get it. You and your spouse do trust each other, and that's great. But trust does not override the law. Without proper documents in place, your spouse could lose access to your bank accounts, face probate court to have to inherit the assets you leave behind, have no legal say in your medical care if you're incapacitated. But with an estate plan, it makes sure that your spouse has the legal authority to act on your behalf without unnecessary delays, cost, going to court, and any other headaches that could stall the process. Alright, myth number 3. Everybody thinks estate planning is too expensive. If you think estate planning is expensive, try going through probate without one. Without a plan, your family could end up paying thousands of dollars in legal fees and taxes. These court battles, sometimes over estates, can last months or even years, and they can cost way more than a well-prepared estate plan ever would. Most cases I've seen cost at least twice what it would cost to plan ahead. So an estate plan isn't just a cost, it's an investment that protects your family from financial and emotional hardship. That's how I like to think of it. You're investing in yourself and in giving peace of mind to your loved ones. Myth number 4, I don't need to worry about who would raise my children. Now, most parents in America that have minor kids have not named guardians for those minor children. And as a parent, your number 1 job is protecting your kids, right? But if something happens to you, do you really want a judge deciding who raises them? Watch my video if you haven't about why you have to name guardians for your children right now if you haven't. Without a comprehensive kids protection plan, a stranger in a courtroom, not you, will determine who becomes the guardian of your children. And even if you've named a guardian in your will, most parents make these few critical mistakes that could end up leaving their loved ones and their kids very vulnerable. That's why I help parents put the right protections in place so that they never have to worry about their children's future. So estate planning isn't just for the wealthy, as you can tell. It's for anyone who cares about their family's future. Now that you know the truth, it's time to take action. Whether you need a plan or want to update an outdated one, let me know in the comments. If you have any questions about this video, I know it's pretty short, but I try to hit the most important points. I want to make sure that your wishes are honored, your family is protected, and your legacy is secured. Let me know in the comments what you think about the video and if you have any questions that I can help you with. My promise to you is I will help you take control of your future, protect your loved ones, save your money, keep your money in your family and in your pockets, and give you the peace of mind that you deserve. So let's make sure that your family is protected. Book a call with my law firm today. It's absolutely free. Get to talk about your specific situation, and let's create your life and legacy plan soon. And hey, as usual, if you found this video helpful, do me a favor, share it with 1 or 2 people that you think would benefit from learning just a little bit more about some of these estate planning myths that are out there and that could help save you and your loved ones a lot of money.